The government says when a COVID-19 vaccine is approved, it will be free for all Americans. Federal health officials just issued the rules for health insurance companies. Here's Tiffany Craig.
The idea behind these rules is to make sure every American who wants to get vaccinated one day for COVID-19 can. According to MarketWatch, these rules by health officials would resolve any legal issues about whether Medicaid could cover a vaccine that gets emergency use authorization from the FDA. So let's look at these rules. Seniors with Medicare, Medicaid, and children's health insurance plan recipients would pay nothing. The government would pay private Medicare Advantage plans for the vaccine to be administered to seniors. Workplace and individual plans will cover the vaccine as a preventive service with no cost sharing. And doctors, clinics, and hospitals vaccinating the uninsured will get paid through a federal fund. Now we wait until one is approved and available. As soon as it is, these rules go into effect. The idea is you don't have to pay anything out of pocket to get vaccinated.